It's another beautiful day. Kind of rainy today, but it's all good. Thankful for the rain. Alright, let's just get it started. Price came down into the imbalance that I had marked out on the 4-hour right here, and then now price is kind of moving back up. Okay, so we're gonna mark out the 4-hour price again. You see this fair value gap. We're gonna mark out the 4-hour price again. Price moves from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. Price went from external here, came down to internal, and then we could possibly see price move up again. Only thing I'm worried about is this order block right here, this bullish order block that I marked on both tickers. Price could definitely want to see this area. So we're just going to be a little patient before rushing to any conclusions. However, there is a bullish IFEG here. There's a lot of liquidity here. All of this is liquidity. All of this is liquidity. Okay, on ES. So price could definitely want to take that out. Okay, and if it does, then we can see price come back down. So we're just going to be a little patient to see what price shows us. Yeah, I don't usually like to draw trend lines and stuff like that, but normally if you see signs like this, then price is definitely going to be looking to seek liquidity. I just don't know where it's going to stop, right? Yeah, right now I'm seeing some bearish divergence on NQ. You never know what price will do. I'm not going to trade until after market open, hopefully after 10, but if something comes up, then I'll be trading before then. Alright y'all, I entered this position a little bit late, but I'm targeting previous day's lows right now. I'm very bearish on the market at the moment, as you can see. Currently I have about, I'm moving my stop loss down. I'm going to move it up to a little above break even. But yeah, my target ultimately is going to be previous day's lows. I think my stop loss is going to be hit. If it does, then I'm going to be re-entering at a better entry. But this entire move down was a turtle soup, and I missed the entry up here when I wanted to enter. I was trying to calculate everything, and everything just kept on moving fast. So probably should have waited a little bit, but this is the kind of move where I can see price just continue to just sell off. I know previous day's lows are right here. My ultimate target is down here, but I'm going to take profits here. Okay, and then if I hit 2 to 1 right now, then I'm also going to just exit because price is pretty volatile. There can be really long, heavy swings at the moment. So we're just going to sit and wait and see what happens. Previous day's lows looks like it wants to be the target. It just wants to shoot down, or if it wants to come back up for a breather, because all it's been doing right now is selling. We are close to 2 to 1, because remember, I'm only risking $100 per position, right? So you can tell right here, you can see right here what my profit is. Oop, that candle. Y'all are looking at the 15-minute, I'm looking at the 1 minute, that 1 minute candle. It's a little scary. I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute candle. Alright. Two to 1, taken. And that's all she wrote. Alright. After that huge sell-off, I am in a long position. I had already moved my stop loss to break even because price just moved up so quickly. I did take another long right here prematurely. It's got stopped out for a loss, so I'm at 1 win, 1 loss. The loss was what was it? Like $59 or something. I'm only trading 1 micros now. So let's see how this position does. There is a volume imbalance here that price tapped into, that it's reacting off of. Another 1 minute fair value gap right here that price, I believe, should hold, because this displacement up is telling me that this is a market structure shift, but we'll see. I could definitely get stopped out for a risk-free trade, and then we'll just look for another entry to go long. Took my stop. I'm gonna look for another long. There's no point in me risking my full position right now because I'm already up for the day. As you can see here, I'm already up for the day. So right now, total portfolio, my total gains right now is at 172 with this position at 50 ticks. The reason why it's not at 208 is because I took one loss, remember? I'm actually expecting this order block to gain so that price can continue to move up. So that's what I am looking at right now. Price is kind of just teetering back and forth around here. Kind of expected. Price can definitely consolidate. So basically what I'm seeing right now is that price came up above the median. Let me remove this. Above the median of that 5-minute order block, right? And now it's kind of just moving around. Remove that fair value gap too, and it's using the quarter level as a support. So when this happens and it comes back down to rebalance, I'm expecting price to actually shoot back up. All right, you see how it's using the quarter level of that 5-minute order block as a support, like quote unquote support. So it broke the 50, came back down using this level as a support, and is kind of going through this accumulation, right? I'm expecting price to come back up and really hit this level right there from on the top of the 5-minute order block. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to kind of like teeter around here for a little bit and then send price up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to join me on my journey to 100K this year. That is definitely the goal. There are links in the description below if you want to utilize them. One of them is Kaizen Crypto Discord. It's probably one of the best, and it's probably one of the best right now and the biggest with the best value. Also, if you want to take advantage of Apex's 80% off sale, I believe today is the last day for the 1 day to pass. So if you want to take advantage of it, go ahead. There's a link in the description below. Let's see how this trade pans out. It's reacting off of the quarter level here. Let's see if it blows past it. If it blows past it and comes back down, then that's acceptable. And then hit this 1 fib, which is the top of this order block right here. We shall see. Almost hit my sell stop, which is over break even, so I'm okay with that. Price is still within the fair value gap level. I really want to scalp a mini right now, but I'm not going to do it. Yeah, stop me out. I'm still in the green though. Alright, y'all, let's look at the performance summary. Today was not a great day. I'm going to tell you why it wasn't a great day. It's because I took 60 stupid trades. Yeah, very, very bad. I was at one point, I was very close to blowing my funded account. I was like $300 away from blowing my funded account. Like if you look, yeah, I was in $2,000 in drawdown right here with fees. Okay, that's insanity. I put myself in this position and never again. Like, I mean, I know I keep saying never again, but today I don't know what happened. I literally had one good trade, and I was chatting with a subscriber of mine, and we were bouncing off ideas, and we were both in line, and we both took the same trades, and it was great. And then I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna stop trading. And then I saw a long opportunity. That's where everything went downhill because I started trading in chop, and I think I've traded like 4 long positions where it came back down and stopped me out. In profits, came back down, stopped me out. And it was just insanity. And like mentally, that was so draining. Mentally, it was draining, and mentally, it was so stressful. So I don't want to experience that ever again. Like it was just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Negative $584.36 in drawdown today. I was able to bring my account back up out of danger. Crazy. TradeZella dashboard. For the month, we are at 1.8K now. I believe that's for the month. For today, negative 584.36. For the week, we are negative $49.04. I over risked, I over leveraged. It just wasn't like everything that I basically was showing y'all, like with taking 4 trades, 7 trades, 1 trade, 6 trades, like the discipline and the risk management today, it just all flew out the window. All flew out the window. I was revenge trading, I was FOMOing, and I was trying to basically make the money back that I lost and almost lost my funded account. It was a hot mess. Huge hot mess. I do have another funded account that I have on the sidelines that I may have to start trading soon. I don't know. And I am working on a Top Step funded account as well. Okay, so this is the account that we are following, that we are tracking. Negative $49.04, and we are still ahead. Okay, so it's not too bad from our target equity. We are still ahead. I just don't want to be in this type of position again. Okay, so yeah, I mean, do you really want to see my executions and the losing trades? I I think just showing y'all my executions of all the FOMO and like revenge trading is not going to be pretty helpful, because I am trying to get better to provide value. It's time to buckle down, time to get serious, and really take this seriously. Treat it like a business. Yeah, let me know how y'all did today. Let me know if y'all are in the green or if you are in the red. I know one of my viewers is up a lot today. We were bouncing off ideas and messaging back and forth, and it was pretty good. It was pretty good. So you know who you are. Thank you for keeping me in check and for also providing your input, because it was a lot of confirmation. We were both seeing the same things, and it was great. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to join me on my journey to 100K this year. Like the video, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.